Okay, good morning, boys and girls. It is Wednesday, November 4th, and we're starting our math lesson. Today, we're still working on multiplication strategies because we need to really get these down because they are actually going to really help you with division. So a lot of them are very similar. So we're going to review strip diagrams today, and then we will do an assignment for a grade where you're matching the strip diagram to the word problem. So you need your dry erase mat and a marker at home. If you don't have that, you can use your math spiral like I'm going to be doing, okay? So I'm going to be calling out different scenarios or word problems, and you need to be writing the strip diagram that goes with it, okay? So this is just practice. Okay, so remember, we have two parts to the strip diagram. We have the whole, which can be one long line on top or on bottom. And for multiplication, your whole is what's going to be missing. Okay? And then you have the parts. So if I were to do 3 groups of 4, I would need to have 3 parts with 4 in each. Right now you don't need to be writing anything. You're just listening. We're going over this real quick before I give you a problem. But remember, your boxes represent the groups. Okay? What goes inside the box is the second factor, or how many in each group. Okay, and this represents your missing product or total. Okay? All right, so since we're doing multiplication, that's what we're looking for, the missing product. Okay? All right, so here's your first one. On your boards, I want you to draw the strip diagram that you think would help you solve it, and then go ahead and find the product. Okay? A toy store has 6 shelves with 5 boxes on each shelf. 6 shelves with 5 boxes on each shelf. How many boxes are there? Okay. 6 shelves with 5 boxes on each shelf. How many boxes are there? Okay, you should be working out your strip diagram and finding the answer to the question. How many boxes are there? 6 shelves with 5 boxes on each shelf. Think about how many groups you need to have. Six shelves with 5 boxes on each shelf. Drawing a strip diagram. Okay, so I've paused the video so those of you at home aren't just listening to silence as I walked around the room looking at everybody's boards. So we're going to check it now. If you need more time at home, just pause and finish working out your strip diagram. But what you should have done is 6 shelves So that means our 6 groups, right? 6 groups of 5. So there's 5 in each group. So I need to take my strip diagram and split it up into how many boxes? 6. Okay. And then 5 goes in each box. And then down below you should have had, or above, you should have had a bar that represents the total amount because it goes all the way across. Okay? And what was the product or the total amount? Gregory?
30.
30, good. So, if you were trying to figure out what the answer is, what could you do with all these 5s? Javette? Skip count. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Good job.
So I get it then.
Okay, next one. So listen carefully. I will jot some words down to help you look back at to remember, but I'm just going to have you listen to the word problem. Candles come in boxes of 4. Kaylee buys 10 boxes of candles for a party. How many candles does Kaylee buy? Okay, I'll say it again. Candles come in boxes of 4. That means in each box, how many candles are there? 4. There's 4 boxes, 4 candles inside the box. Kaylee buys 10 boxes of candles for a birthday party. How many candles does Kaylee buy? So the candles come in boxes of 4. If Kaylee buys 10 boxes, how many candles does she buy? Candles come in boxes of 4. Kaylee buys 10 boxes. How many candles does she buy? And we're doing a strip diagram. Okay, everybody here has their answer, so let's go ahead and look at our strip diagrams. Everybody show me your boards. Okay, good. Flipped it. You flipped it? Good, Gregory, but your boxes should all be connected. It's one long strip, okay? So inside the strip, you should have drawn 10 boxes.
Are you allowed to put
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we put 4 in each box because each box of candles had 4 candles, right? So now we want to know how many candles did Kaylee buy. Well, she did 10 groups of 4, which would equal what, class? 40. All you do is take the 0 and add it on the end for 10s. Okay? Okay, next one. Ready?
Yes.
Gregory sets up 6 tables for a birthday party. Each table seats 5 people. How many people can sit at the tables? Okay, I will repeat that. Gregory sets up 6 tables. Each table seats 5 people. How many people can sit at the tables? Okay, show me your strip diagram. And then the product. Okay, when you have your answer, show me your board. If I've given you a head nod, that means you're correct, so you can put your board down. If you're still working, take your time.
What was the question again?
Gregory has 6 tables that he sets up. Each table seats 5 people. How many people can sit at the tables? Okay, we got our answer? Almost, okay. Okay, how many boxes should we have for this strip diagram?
We should have 6.
6 boxes, and this time I'm going to draw the hole going across the top. I draw my strip, matches the hole, and now I need to take this strip and break it up into 6 boxes because there are 6 tables at your groups. And there are 5 people at each table, so that means 5 goes in each box. Now I need to find the total of people that can sit at the table, so I'm going to count by 5s to get my total. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Good. So we actually did 6 times 5 and we got 30. Okay. I think you guys are ready to go, right? Or do you want to do one more?
No, we're ready to go. We got this.
Ready to go. Okay. So this is what you're going to do. Your assignment has word problems and whole parts. But you see how they're all mixed up. Liza has 2 bags with 10 candies in each bag. How many candies does Liza have? This strip diagram does not go with it. So your job is to match the strip diagram to the word problem, okay? So what you're going to do first, well, those of you at home won't have to do this. You won't have to cut out, but you are dragging and matching. Those of you here, you're going to cut out the strip diagrams, and I want you to set them over on the side of your desk and put them in a nice neat pile. And I want you to cut out the word problems and put them over on the side of your desk in a separate pile. You're going to look at each word problem and then find the match that goes with it, okay? If you want to use scratch paper and draw it out first and then try to find the match that you drew, you can do it that way also, okay? Or you can use your dry erase board if you want, okay? But once you have all your matches, raise your hand and I will come around and check them, and then we will glue it on some paper, okay? Any questions before we start? That has to do with the assignment. Okay. Those of you at home, I look forward to seeing your work. Again, all you're doing is dragging and dropping to match the strip diagram to the word problem.